I'm Josh Vogel, and I'm going to tell you about Australopithecus africanus. Australopithecus africanus lived approximately 3 to 2 million years ago in the late Pliocene, early Pleistocene era. This was discovered by the use of faunal dating. One famous example of the species is the Tong child, which was found in 1924 by Raymond Dart. Tong child was thought to be 2.5 million years old and died at age 3. He was 3 feet 6 inches tall, about 24 pounds, and his cranial capacity was about 370. Australopithecus africanus was bipedal and living in a grassland savanna of southern Africa. Scientists discovered this by the position of the foramen magnum, shape of the position of the pelvis, and the shape of the tarsals. Even though they are bipedal, the ape-like curved fingers africanus had led scientists to believe they would scavenge small bones and sticks to use as tools, and they would still climb trees.